Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make the delicious and very healthy sweet potato paratha. If please watch the full video and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Wish you happy new year to everybody. Today I am going to make sweet potato paratha. It's good for weight loss and it's very healthy too. For this, I took two sweet potatoes, medium size. I already boiled and peeled the skin out. Then one big bowl of spinach. This is completely optional. If you want, you can use any other spinach. Today I am using palak. Then 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 amchur powder, 1/4 turmeric powder, some coriander leaves, 1 green chili I fine chopped, then some garlic crushed. We are going to use wheat flour 1 cup, then a required amount of salt and oil. The first step, I already washed the palak in the water and chopped very finely. I am going to fry in the pan with few drops of oil. You can add if you want directly, but I am going to give to my kids, so I just want to do little bit fry. First I am adding the green chilies, saute for few minutes, then garlic, and chopped spinach. Just saute for few minutes. After 2 minutes, we sauteed well. Going to turn off the flame and let it keep aside until it cools down. Meanwhile, take a bowl and we are going to add the boiled sweet potatoes and mash well. Now I smashed well. Then I am going to add the spinach. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and required amount of salt, then 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and last fine chopped coriander leaves. Add few drops of oil and mix well until it get a tight dough. Now our dough is ready, and apply some oil, because if you leave as it is, the dough will be dry. So just few drops of oil and cover with lid and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to make a paratha. I am taking a small ball size dough and dust it in the flour. Going to roll the parathas. Now my paratha is, I rolled one paratha. In the same way I am going to do one more thing. Then now I am going to cook the parathas. Keep it in medium flame. Some oil. If you want, you can use ghee. Flip it over again. it's ready. Now it's ready. In the same way, I'm going to cook another one. Now the sweet potato paratha is ready. You can serve with any chutney. Today I am going to have with tomato chutney, or you can roll with you can spread cheese and you can roll. See how soft is it? Just you can apply some cheese and you can roll it and give it with the kids as a snack, or you can take as a lunch. Thank you for watching.